What's so important in your small business marketing plan is to make sure that every activity and action for that activity has an objective. So when you create a marketing plan, there should be an overall objective as to why you're creating a plan and what is the end goal that you're trying to achieve. But then when you start to get into the detail for each activity and each action, for example, Google AdWords and creating the campaigns and all the descriptions for that AdWords campaign, what is the specific objective you're trying to achieve by doing that activity? And does that activity suit the end goal of your business? Now, I see a lot of businesses out there just choosing activities based on what they've read or what their friend's business is doing and thinking that it can also relate specifically to their business. A plan and the actions within a plan should be tailored and customized to your specific business, to your specific objectives, to your specific target audience and what you are trying to achieve and what your product and service offers. So make sure that when you decide on what activities you want to use to implement, whether it's emails on a monthly basis to your database, a letterbox drop, a billboard, an AdWords campaign, that those activities are objective driven and there's a reason why you're choosing those and very targeted to the audience and the goals of what you're trying to achieve for your small business.